Are you fucking kidding me, bro? Gotta be kidding me.
Stop it, Simba.
Alright, so first off, no, this is not clickbait. What happened is, actually, you know what? I'm gonna get in the car, we're gonna take a drive, and I'm gonna tell y'all what happened because it's short story, but it's a lot to it that I want to explain before it actually happened, which I find pretty crazy. So, here's the car, the cat looking good. She's dirty right now, but let's get in the car. Let me talk to y'all real quick. So for those who didn't watch my delivery video, I just got this car. Today is Wednesday. I got this car last Tuesday. So that makes it 8 days I've had this car. So, I'm sorry, 8 full days that I've had this car, right? So let me start from the beginning. So yesterday, my girl and my son, we went out to a couple places to get some quotes on like clear bras and stuff for rock chips and everything. Tent, just a bunch of things that I want to get done to the car. We were out cruising. Me and my lady, we bought a house a year ago. And when we got the house, it was a single driveway. Oh, let me roll up these windows so y'all can hear me. When we bought the house, it was a single driveway. Obviously, now that I have the Hellcat, we got the driveway ripped up so we can add another vehicle, yada yada. So right now, you know how they put that first layer of gravel down on the driveway. So right now we just have gravel because the guys haven't come to actually finish it yet. Long story short, me and my son were out yesterday. We were out just outside bringing in trash cans from the street back into the driveway, right? So mind you, me and him are doing this at the same time. You know, I'm helping him pull one trash can. We go back to get the recycling bin. We pull it back up to the driveway. It's just something that, you know, I want to do with him so he knows, you know, some responsibility of taking the trash out. Again, we have the gravel. So my son's picking up rocks. He's throwing rocks across the street. Just picking rocks up, putting them in different places, yada, yada, right? Listen, if you got kids, you know how it is. You tell them multiple times, hey, don't do this. Hey, don't do this. Stop doing this. Don't throw rocks, or whatever the case may be. If you are any parent, you know what I'm talking about. Like, it's hard to tell them to stop doing something while trying to stay focused on them every second. Give me 1 second. Let me get this ticket for it. How you doing, buddy? How's your day, man?
Working hard?
Yes, you know it.
Mondays are tough. Right?
Yes, sir. Especially in this heat.
Yeah,
Especially in the heat.
Where are you?
Yeah. Have a good one, man. So, what happens when me and him bring the garbage cans out? We have to push the mirrors in, obviously, because I don't want to scratch my car. I don't want to scratch my lady's car. As I go back to pull her mirror back out, all I hear is a doom. You ever, and listen, anybody with kids, I know y'all understand me. You ever hear something fall or break and you just know what it is? You know instantly what they broke? So as I hear the noise of something hitting, right? I'm like, no effing way. Bro, even before I seen the damage, I knew he threw a rock. And I'm just like, bro, no way he threw a rock at the car. And you know, like, I instantly just felt like my soul just disappeared, bro. Cause I was on fire. When I tell y'all I was pissed, I just looked at him and I was just like, yo, I mean, you can't do anything. Like, you can't do anything because he's a kid. doesn't really like know better. He knows better, but doesn't know better. So it's like I'm not gonna like whoop him crazy or anything like that. I wanted to, trust me, I wanted to, but I'm not gonna do that. Son, when I tell y'all I knew it, I knew it. Like I knew he had threw a rock at the car. So I go to look at the car, right? And here's the damage. I'll show y'all right now. When I tell y'all, this little scratch to me looked like the whole back bumper was scratched. Bro, I was devastated. I was pissed. This happened yesterday. So that would have been a week with the car. Not even a full week with the car. And my son threw a rock. And yesterday it was not, trust me, it wasn't funny at all yesterday. But I laugh at it because it's like, bro, we had just left the place getting quotes on the clear ball for rock chips. And I'm like, yo, that's just crazy. You can't make this up. Like, you really can't, man. And yeah, I was pissed yesterday. Like, I was just pissed all day yesterday after that. Like, it happened like around later on in the day, so I was just pissed for the rest of the night. I could laugh at it now because it's just like, it's whatever, bro. It's just a car. At the end of the day, I'ma always love my son, man. Like, he did upset me, but at the end of the day, it's just a car. It can get fixed. The part that sucks is like that I have to fix something and I just got the car. Like, that does suck, but you know, it's just, again, when you have nice things, man, that's what come with it, especially with the car stuff. Like, it's always gonna be something with the car. You're not gonna be able to protect it 100% all the time. Like, obviously, I didn't expect to have something this soon, like this quick. Like, it's just like, bro, you work so hard for something, and then something for like that to happen is just like, what? You gotta be kidding me! Like, it just can't be real. Like, there's no way. But yeah, that's the bad news, man. I just wanted to let y'all know about that. It just sucks, man. It just sucks. Like, the car alone is expensive already, and then you just have to drop more money into it. It just sucks. So, but again, it's just a car, so we'll get it fixed. It'll be back to looking like how it was. It'll be back looking brand new. I plan on getting the car detailed and everything already anyway. So again, trust me, I was super pissed, but the days gone by, I slept on it, you know, I looked at it, and it's actually not that bad. But y'all know, any car guy will tell y'all, like, y'all know when something like that happened, bro, it's like, no way this happened, son. I just gotta pay my toll really quick, and I'll pick the camera back up. It was just like, no way this happened, bro. Like, this is way too soon. Like, I couldn't believe it, bro. Couldn't believe it. How you doing? Thank you. You have a good night too. Thank you. And you know, he's a kid, so he apologized and whatnot. He said sorry. What made it funny was, like, he was making like car wash jokes, because obviously the car was scratched up and stuff. He's like, Daddy, you need a car wash. So it was like, at the time I was pissed, and I'm like, no way he's like making a joke about it, because that's not funny. But now I laugh at it because it's, you know, again, he's a kid, he's 2 years old, he doesn't know, like, he know he's not supposed to shoot rocks, he know what he did wasn't right, but it's just, he's a kid, man. Like, I'm pretty sure somebody else has had an experience or something like that. There's nothing you can do about it. Nothing you can do. Nothing you can do, man. You just gotta get it fixed, keep it pushing, man. And that's what we gonna do. We just gonna get it fixed, keep it pushing. But I just gotta let y'all know, damage. We got the damaged jelly cat already. 7 days in, 7 days of ownership. It's not, I'm just happy that it's not the doors. So it's not a sore ride because it's not on the doors. It's like the back top quarter panel of the back bumper, like near the trunk area. Again, I'll show you another picture. So I'm just happy that it's not the doors, because I feel like the doors would stick out so much more worse. It'll be way more noticeable. You know, to me it's noticeable regardless, because I know it's there. And I'm I'm actually like sick to my stomach that it's there. So to me, it looks like a whole meteorite hit the car. That's how it looks like to me. Every time I look at it, it's just like, damn, already. But again, I'll get it fixed. It'll be fixed soon. The car will be looking brand new again. It is what it is, man. It's life. Go through shit. You just gotta get it fixed. Had I let that freaking deter me every single day, I probably would have been one of the people like, oh, I don't want the car no more. It's damaged. Like, nah, I'm not gonna do all that. Like, it was an accident. I mean, he did it on purpose, but it was an accident. So we're gonna get it fixed, and that's gonna be it with that, honestly. So, but we're gonna see y'all in the next video. I just want to let y'all know what happened. Freaking devastated, bro. I told my boy, shout out to my boy Rocco. I told him, and he's just like, oh my God. All my boys is like, yo, bro, I know you pissed. And I'm like, yeah, bro, you have no idea, bro. Like, no idea. You work, you save up 5 years for something so special, and then that happens 7 days after picking it up. You can't make it up, man. Like, again, it's just life. It happens. You gotta take the good with the bad. Good thing is the car still drives, turns on. He didn't like damage any like really like noticeable pieces of the car, like the doors, the front bumper, or anything like that. He didn't break a window. Thank God it wasn't like a big rock, and he didn't shoot it at the window and break the window. So again, you gotta take the good with the bad, man. I gotta look at the positive side. Yeah, it's scratched and it's didn't, but it's not the doors. It's not super big. It's not a super big scratch and dent. It's definitely gonna need some paint work. Another good thing is he didn't break the windows, like I said before. It's not the front bumper or anything like that, not my mirror, anything that's like super noticeable. So you gotta take the good with the bad, man. I'm just happy. I'm happy it wasn't like a severe damage. That's all. So it is what it is, man. We're gonna get it fixed, plain and simple. That's all I really got to say. I'm gonna see you on the next video. Stay tuned, because I'm gonna be letting y'all know how much I pay a month for this bad boy, how much in insurance I pay for this bad boy after that. Actually, before those two videos, I'm gonna let y'all know what all the add-ons cost. Interior, the sunroof, the suede headliner, all that good stuff. I'm gonna do a gas video the next time I run out of gas, and we'll go from there. So y'all have a good rest of your day, man. I'm out. It's mad hot. I definitely gotta end this video. I need to roll my windows down and catch a breeze. I'm sweating. I know y'all see me with my hat all the way up because I'm burning up. I did not know Hellcats, just obviously the motor, the engine bay and stuff collects a lot of heat, but it literally transfers from underneath the hood all the way inside the car. So these cars stay super hot. I know in the winter I'm not gonna have a problem at all. Yes, I am driving my car in the winter. Yes, I am. I am gonna have snow tires on it, and I'm gonna drive it in the winter. Yes, this is my daily driver. People do drive Hellcats in the winter all the time. So, not a surprise to y'all. But anyway, the car just drafts in a super amounts of heat. I don't know why, but that's it. But yeah, that's all I got for y'all, man. Y'all have a good rest of y'all day. I'm out. I will see y'all later. Peace.